The INOVIVA 2025 Slushie Maker is designed to simplify the process of making frozen drinks by eliminating the need for ice, allowing users to enjoy their favorite beverages effortlessly. With its innovative design, the Slushie Maker features 360-degree rotating mixing blades that ensure a smooth texture for any drink, whether it is a margarita or a milkshake. The 2025 version has been updated to optimize temperature settings, allowing for faster preparation times ranging from 15 to 60 minutes, enhancing the overall drink-making experience. A convenient self-cleaning mode makes maintaining the INOVIVA Slushie Maker hassle-free, while its removable parts can be easily washed by hand or in a dishwasher. The machine is user-friendly, featuring an ergonomically designed handle and a removable drip tray for added convenience during operation and cleaning. Its ability to create a wide variety of alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks using 5 preset programs makes the INOVIVA 2025 Slushie Maker a versatile addition to any kitchen.